How to give access to Google Forms. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to give access to Google Forms. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Google Forms and tap on the first link you see there. You will be led to the official webpage of Google Form. Here on the top, you will see the option for sign in. Tap on that and go ahead and sign yourself in at the first place. Once signed in, to give access to Google Forms, open an existing form and tap on the three dots you see on the top of your screen beside the send button. Here, tap on the Add Collaborators option. In the pop-up that you will be led to, you will see two tabs, that is, People with Access and People with General Access. Tap on the Restricted drop-down under People with General Access and select anyone with the link option and then copy the link by tapping on the Copy Responder link option. Now go ahead and paste the link further to whom you want to give access to, and this is how you can give access to Google Forms. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.